Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see 16th part of ongoing Excel series. Okay, we have already covered 15th part and last part we have seen today, year, month, weekday, tax formula. If you have not seen yet, please visit and see. We have already completed 15 parts, so we have already completed many formula like sum, if, count, max, minimum, many more formulas. Okay, this series going from basic to advanced. So if you are new to this, please visit and see all videos. Also please new, if you new, please subscribe and share with your friends and other groups too. So today we are going to see sum if and sum ifs. So let's begin today. What is sum if and sum if? Okay, I hope you are all aware what is you are all aware about sum function. What is sum function? So I am taking just one example. What is sum? Sum used for sum the given value. Okay, sum of the given value. You can select a range. Also you can type number. Okay, here you can see I select some formula and I have sum of all values. Also you can take one by one. Suppose I've selected one, then I can select second, then I can select third, and then fourth. Okay, and enter. Here you can see. Okay, now is advanced formula is sum if and sum ifs. Okay, so before we start, I am writing some values here. Again I am taking Hindi and again taking here suppose math. Okay, we have already one entry, but I am taking one because it is needs for our formula. Here 97 and 98 and taking 34 and you can take any one value. I am suppose 99. Okay, now what is sum if? Sorry, sum. What is sum if? If you see definition, here you can see definition. Add the cells specified a given condition or criteria. Okay, add the cell specified a given condition or criteria. Here we find condition based sum. Okay, here we find condition based sum. In only sum function we are getting selected value sum, but in sum if condition we find condition based sum. Okay, if so let's begin sum if. Here you can see first range. What is range? Range is selected criteria. Okay, range is selected criteria value. Okay, you can see selected criteria value. Criteria means condition, selected condition range. Okay, let's begin. Here is range. Suppose I need criteria from this range. Okay, I am taking this, then I have taken comma. Now next you can see criteria. Criteria means condition. Suppose I am taking this Hindi and sum. I want to sum. Okay, what is sum? Here it is asking sum range. Sum range means what value do you need? Okay, what value do you need? Okay, suppose I need this value on this condition base, and we can see on this criteria base. I'm selecting and here I have entered. Here you can see I got value 109. You can see in some function we are having full value, but here you can see 109. 109, what is 109? It is only Hindi value. It is only Hindi value. Okay, it is sum of only Hindi value. Let's see, we can cross verify this. Just taking sum. Okay, and here Hindi 75 and again Hindi you can see 34 and enter. Here you can see 109 and also we have a 109. So I hope it is clear. Okay, if you have any doubt, just post your comment. I hope it is clear. Okay, what is sum if condition? Using sum if condition, we are getting condition base value, sum of condition base value. Okay, condition base value. So we also taking second for example. Suppose here I am taking again math. Okay, I am taking math. Here we will get only math 164. Here you can cross by 105 and here math is 59. So 105 plus 59 is 164. I hope it is clear. Also with some if condition also we can use some symbols. You can see some operators. Which operators? Like greater than, less than, and equal. Okay, equal and less than, greater than, and one is wild card. Okay, I hope you know about this. So I'm taking one by one these operators also, so it will very useful for you. Okay, here we see first we are taking star. So first we will use star. Star also we called wild card. Okay, wild card. So what is use of star? Let's begin today. Okay, I hope it will clear. Suppose, okay, I'm taking, please notice this value. I'm taking star in starting. Okay, I write star, then I am taking a value. Suppose I'm taking e. I'm taking e. Okay, I take it in starting. Okay, and type e and then enter. Here you can see answer is 90. What the meaning of star? Now here you can see if I am taking star in starting, so it is finding value of any given value, given range. If in given range, if we have a last word with e, then it will take some of those values. Okay, then it will take some of those values. Okay, I'm again repeating again. If we have a given range, okay, suppose I select given range. Okay, I select this range. Okay, I select this range and last value is e. If it meet with last value e, then it will give some of those value. Okay, similarly if I find, suppose I am taking I, so what is the answer is 109. I means where is last value is I, where is last value is I, where is last value I. So 34 or 75 is 109. Similarly, okay, if I'm take, okay, if I take star in last, suppose I'm M and I'm taking star last, then it will find some of those values which are starting from M. Okay, which are starting from M. Here you can see, here we have two values which is starting from M. So what is the sum of these values? 105 and 59, 164. And suppose I am taking E, then answer is 0. No, sorry, why is 0? I think there is some mistake. I have to check this. Okay, there is a space. Okay, here you can see space. Now here you can see I have removed space and here you will get, okay, 30. I hope it is clear. Okay, if you have in doubt, just post your comment. Now again I take, okay, I took star in starting and last. Now if I take star last and last and end, then what will happen? Then it will take some of those values where we get E value in any position. Okay, where we will get E in any position, either in starting, either is middle, either in last. Okay, where whatever wherever it is, it is in given range, it will it will return some of those values. So here I marked star and enter. Here is answer is 120. So here you can see E. Here I have a E in starting. There is answer is, here you can see 30. And math there is no E. Hindi there is no E. Science here is E is a 90. Okay, here is 90. Then again Hindi there is no E. Then math there is no E. So our total sum is 122. So I have answer already 122. I hope it is clear. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you need this working sheet, you can download it from our Telegram channel. Okay, link is mentioned in description box. Telegram link is mentioned in description box. Now next is some ifs. Here we are taking single condition. Okay, here we are taking single condition. If we want value with multiple condition, then we will use some ifs condition. Okay, so let's begin today. So let's begin first. Okay, we have read here, we have learned star. Similarly, if we use less than, greater than, so how will use? Okay, suppose I'm taking range, this range. Okay, I'm taking this range. Okay, and here I want value of here suppose I want value, suppose I need value. Okay, need value less than 100. I need some of those value which are less than 100. Okay, I need some of those value which are less than of 100. Then I'm taking here less than and enter. Here you can see we got 139. So we have two value with less than 39. So answer is 549 and 13 there, 139. So I hope it is clear. Similarly, if I take equal, okay, then what is answer is 254. We have four value which sum is 254. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay, now we will use some ifs. Some if we are using for single condition. If we want data with multiple condition, okay, then we will use some ifs. Here some ifs. Okay, here you can see definitely at the cells specified a given set of condition. Okay, set of condition or criteria. So I am selecting some if. First here is the first is some range. Okay, suppose I need some of these. Okay, I've selected some of these range. Okay, then it is asking for criteria range. Now it is asking for criteria range. Okay, suppose my criteria is ye. Okay, my criteria this. Sorry, no, I'm my criteria similarly this. Okay, subject. Then it is asking criteria range 2. Okay, then it is asking for criteria. It is asking criteria. Here I have a two values sum. Here is asking criteria range. I have selected criteria range. Then it is asking criteria. Suppose my criteria is Hindi. Okay, my criteria is Hindi. Then it is first condition. Now I want to give second condition, criteria 2 range. Now it is asking criteria 2 range. I am given same range again. Okay, I am given same range again, and here you can see criteria 2. Now my criteria 2 means math. Suppose I am giving math. My criteria is math. Okay, no, sorry, I'm changing range. It will clear. Suppose I am my criteria, I am taking here some range is C2 C7. Okay, it's a some range, so I am taking second criteria is this. Okay, and range. So suppose I need data which is suppose less than, I need some which is 60 and enter. Here you can see we have answer is 97. Now how is it? Okay, how will I get? Okay, so let's begin. Here you can see I have taken two condition here. First I am taking range. Range is TC2 to C7. I need some of these range. Okay, I need range. Okay, I need some of total marks. Okay, total marks. First condition. Okay, first criteria range this, and second criteria means Hindi. Then second range is obtained marks, and range is the, oh sorry, condition is G. So it will how how it is working. Okay, let's start. Let's clear. uh, it is it is finding a value. You can say it is finding some of those value where where value is Hindi, where value is Hindi, and obtained marks is less than 60. Okay, where subject is Hindi and obtained marks 60, then it will take some of those values where it will meet, then it will take some of those value. Okay, I entered. Here you can see 97. Here you can see we have a Hindi, but it is not less than, 75. So it is wrong. It is not meet with our condition. Okay, it does not meet with our condition. It does not meet with our condition. Next condition is Hindi, which is value of 10 marks is 34, which is less than of 60. Then answer is 97. Will it meet with our condition? So answer is 97. I hope it is clear. And if you have any doubt, just post your comment, and for further videos please subscribe and share with your friends and groups. Thank you all.